Backtest your trading strategy in 60 seconds with Freqtrade user interface. Want to test your trading strategy before risking real money? Let's run a full backtest in under a minute. With this, you can visually see your backtest result and test your strategy. Let's move to the backtesting section. Imagine we already coded our strategy. We're just going to select it here. No manual setup needed. Now we define the parameters. Time frame, 4 hours. Detail time frame to 1 hour. Max open trades to 3. Starting capital to 500 USDT. Stake amount to 120 USDT. These directly affect risk and performance results. Now we should choose the start date and end date for the backtesting period. For example, from January 1st, 2024 to January 1st, 2025, we're going to backtest our strategy for 1 year of data. Now we run it. Click on the Start Backtest button. This simulates how your strategy would have performed. Here's where it gets interesting. You can see profit and ROI, win rate, drawdown. Here we are. This is the visual result. You can clearly see where trades were entered and exited. This is how you can debug and improve your strategy. That's it for now. Backtesting isn't optional. It's your edge. Drop a comment and tell your idea. Subscribe, and I will create more blogs about Freqtrade bot.